This lesson is called the 60-second video script. So you know I'm about to give you the script for our video that we're going to shoot for this course. There are multiple types of videos that, when I say multiple, there are tons and tons and tons of videos that you can record using this exact framework and this process. So this exact video is going to be for a specific scenario, but like I showed you with neighborhood videos or open houses, there are a lot of ways where you can make videos using this framework and the structure to get your videos seen by people who are asking questions that your videos answer. So let's find out about a question that people ask about you all the time. Here is my question for you. What do you do when you get a call from a number that you don't recognize? Don't lie either and say, I answer all my calls. And if you do, awesome. I don't, and most people don't. What do you do? Well, I can tell you that years ago, as a mortgage lender, I used to call on Monday mornings. I had a list of realtors. I had to make 40 phone calls every Monday morning to realtors. It went something like, what was it? Hey, what'd you do this weekend? Did you work? Did you play? Did you worship? Hey, did you show any houses? Did you have any deals? Any contracts come in? Anything you need me to help you with? Take a look at a second opinion. Well, I've got you on the phone. What do you say we get a little coffee date on the books? Let me tell you something. That didn't happen often because usually people screen my calls. Realtors, you all screened my calls and it went to voicemail because you knew who it was or whatever. But outside of that, let's just say when you get a call from a number you don't recognize, in our business, we probably should answer all of them, but we don't. Sometimes, for whatever reason, we screen the call. And then what do? I go to Google. I actually do this a lot. Sometimes I'll call people right back if I'm like, oh, I needed that call. But do you do that? Have you ever ignored a phone call and then immediately Googled it? Guilty. Twice. What about this? What happens when you call somebody and they screen your call and then they Google your phone number? Or what just happens when somebody Googles your number? Pause this video and Google your own phone number. Look and see what comes up. Hopefully, somewhere is some information about you. Is it the information you want people to have? If not, then you're really going to like this. No matter what, you're going to like this. Because what if, when somebody screens your call and they Google your phone number, right there, page one, staring them right in the face, is a video of you. And not only that, but the video of you is talking to them, the person who just Googled the phone number. Sound intriguing? I love it. I love doing this. I've been doing this for years. When I first learned how to do this, obviously I did it for myself. And I got so many more return phone calls from leads that I was calling. I don't know the numbers. I'm just saying it was a significant positive difference. Every now and then there's a negative one. They would screen it, Google it, see it was me, and then they call me back, take me off your list. Cool. Now I don't have to spend money nurturing you when you're not interested in working with me anyways. But the people who did Google it, my phone number, and then there was a video of me talking to them when they did it, they were like, I like that dude. They called me back. So I'm about to show you the script for this video, I just want to say, like, here's a scenario, okay? I don't know what your marketing plan is, what your lead generation plan is, but let's say that calling expired listings is part of your lead generation plan. That's also other agents' marketing plan, lead generation plan. So if I own a home where the listing has expired, I know that, my agent is already hounding me to do an extension, change something up, something like that, or I'm getting ready to fire him. I've got 4 phone calls already, and you're one of them. I screened all of you. I Googled all of you. 3 of them, not much. Maybe one of them had their correct information, went to their website. The other 2 was just random stuff. But when I Googled your phone number, there was a video of you. And the video, you were talking to me. You don't even know me, I just Googled your number. You don't think that will give you the opportunity when you tell them, I have a wonderful marketing plan that I want to put in place to list your home and sell it. You probably have some believability behind what you're saying. Immediately, you've got some trust, because that person, well, in this scenario, I was the person who's selling my home. Like, I already am impressed that you have done something that I've never seen done before. So you probably have a few tricks up your sleeve to sell my house. Obviously, my current agent can't sell my house. My listing's expired. I just think that this is one piece that, as simple as this is actually huge in helping you get listings. There's other scenarios, right? For sale by owners, there's regular leads. It's just a way for you to stand out and show that you have invested, you're taking this course and investing your money and your time to learn a skill. That's impressive. That shows that you are above average. Extraordinary is the word I like to use. So let's go to the slide deck. Here's what you need to do before I show you the script. Your video should be over 60 seconds, and you need to shoot it, you need to record it in landscape mode, or as some people call it, horizontal. The reason for all this is YouTube treats portrait or vertical mode videos as YouTube Shorts. It also treats some videos under 60 seconds as YouTube Shorts. You need this video to not be a short. If you're not familiar with YouTube Shorts, they are YouTube's version of short form video, also known as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. These are the short form content. I mean, actually, there's a lot of stuff changing in that medium, that type of video, but it's called shorts because they're shorter, right? They're meant to be shorter. They're meant to be appetizers, something to get people to lead into them. And YouTube Shorts are great. I have, 140,000-ish views on the shorts that I have out right now. And they are helpful and useful in getting people to my actual information and to my actual content. So I do like them for that. But this video and this type of video that we're doing, that we're recording, will not work correctly if it is a YouTube short. So go back to the board here. Needs to be over 60 seconds and horizontal landscape. So here is the script. That's it right there. Now, it might look weird at first, but I just put a fake phone number in there. So I screened your phone call. I Googled your phone number. And right there on page 1, staring me in the face, is you. And I click on it, and you say, "Did you just Google 555-333-1234? Well, that's me. I'm Ben Miller, and I am a realtor right here in Timbuktu." Now, the reason that I might have been calling you is either you have a house that I would love to sell for you, or you're looking to buy a house, and I would love to help you find the house to buy. Now, I have helped several people right there where you are to do exactly the same thing. Recently, I was able to help a active duty military Navy midshipman, whatever, I'm literally making this up on the fly, who got orders. They had to PCS all the way across the country. And because of their circumstances, they desperately needed to sell their house, and they needed to sell it fast, but they didn't want to sacrifice any money in the deal. They didn't want to sell it lower than the price that they felt like it was worth, just because they needed to sell it fast. I was able to put together a personalized marketing plan just for them and their unique situation. And would you believe we sold it in under 40 days from, I don't mean under contract. We were under contract within 72 hours, and we closed it under 40 days and for $12,000 over what they had listed it for. I don't know if that's something that interests you. If it does, give me a call back. If not, at least the next time that you see my number pop up on your phone, you'll know who it is. That's the kind of script that I don't know. There's a bunch of different ways to do it, but I just think that that's an amazing thing that you can do. You can try all kinds of different ways to change it out or whatever, but here's what we're going to do. We're going to end this lesson, and I'm going to do a short lesson right after this that's going to be me actually recording a video right here with you. You ready? Let's go to that lesson. All right, it is time to record our video. As you can see, I'm a little bit out of focus because this is taking the focus, but I'm going to record the 60-second video, and then the next lesson, we'll go ahead and we'll upload it, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But I am actually recording this video. You'll be able to Google my actual phone number, and this actual video will show up when you on page 1 of Google. And then you see that I'm telling you the truth, and what I'm teaching you really, really does work. I love when people actually punch it into Google and they go, well, that's Ben. This works. Sometimes it takes up to 24 hours, the next day before Google will index it and rank it correctly. But without further ado, you can see I have a tripod. My camera my phone is sitting in a tripod, and I have a microphone plugged into it. That's just how I would want to do it. If all you have is a phone, put it in landscape mode, horizontal, push record, and do it. So here we go. I'm recording my video. Let me get all centered and ready. Perfect. And did you just Google 865-685-8722? Well, that's me. I'm Ben Miller. I am a real estate marketing mentor with the Market Masters Institute. Now, what I do and what we do is we help real estate agents establish themselves locally, get found, generate leads, become local celebrities, all sorts of stuff, social media. We do these with online courses. Matter of fact, this video that I'm speaking to you in right now is actually in a course that I'm doing live. If you'd like more information about some of the courses we offer, reach out to me or check us out at marketmastersinstitute.com. I would love, love, love to see you in my next course. And that is all you have to do.